My favorite storybook. My favorite storybook is Dua. There are many chapters in this book. The author is the great writer Martin Wickramasinghe. He was born on May 29, 1890. He lived in the southern village of Kagala. The main characters are Upali and Jinnah. This story is about two friends called Upali and Jinnah. Dua is a beautiful island. It is located in Kagala. They grow many vegetables and fruits there. I learned many things from Dua. I learned many words from this book. I learned many good habits from this book.